In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can fix TikTok shop not showing. In order to fix the TikTok shop not showing issue on your device, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, start by opening the TikTok app and going to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Next page, you have to go ahead and tap on the trap bar icon located in the top right hand side corner, and as you do that, a drop down menu appears. So from there, you'll be able to see this option as settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. On the other field, you need to scroll down a bit and head over to the section that's under support in about. Click on report a problem. So as you press on report a problem, you need to scroll down a bit and go ahead and select the option that says submit and report. And as you click on it on the other page, now you have to specify, you need to go ahead and describe the problem. Just say that your TikTok shop product isn't showing up, and if you can attach some pictures or video showing what's going on. This is how you can fix TikTok shop not showing. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.